guys, I'm back with another video. I did this kind of like summer spring look plus also sweat proof, my kind of sweat proof that I normally do every day or whenever it's hot out. So I'd like to see how I create this look and keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Did y'all miss me? I know I've been gone like for 2 weeks, but I'm back and I'm gonna be trying to do these voiceovers instead of me just, you know, talking in the video. So yeah. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is apply some moisturizer on my face, because we gotta have a moisturizer on our face, especially if you have dry skin like I do. That way, you know, keep your face nice and moisturized before you apply your primer. And I'm gonna just take this little bit in my hand, and it melts in my hand like butter, but not like butter though. Butter takes like a while to, you know, melt. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face as usual. Plus I'm gonna put some on my lips, because my lips are chapped, girl. My lips gotta be hydrated, you know? Another thing, you want to keep yourself hydrated, because when it's hot out, you gotta keep yourself hydrated. Okay, first I'm going to be applying my Tarte Shape Tape in light. And I'm going to be applying this to my eyes first before I do with my face. Okay, so I haven't really made a review about this Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in Sandstorm. I'm going to be setting it with using this wet n wild brush to set the concealer on my eyes before we can start on the eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I always, you know, seem to grab this whenever I want to create a, you know, fun, colorful look. So I'm going to use this kind of like a yellow. It's kind of like a deeper yellow. And I'm just going to be applying that like in the upper crease of my eyes. I know I gotta get used to like trying to get y'all to see what I'm doing. So I'll get it in just a minute. Y'all see it in this video. Say, okay, yeah. And I'm like, yeah, I got, you know, and they're not seeing what I'm doing. So I gotta like keep my head up. Yeah, girl. Yeah, Jeanette, keep your head up. So I can see what you're doing. Don't have your head down. They'd be like, what the hell is she doing? So yeah, swirling this brush back and forth, you know, try and get the pigment that I want. Now I'm gonna go with this little bit deeper yellow. And I'm going to apply that in the crease with this crease brush by e.l.f. Now I'm switching to this brush because something was on my crease brush to make it more noticeable. Now I'm going to be taking this wet n wild brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend those two together and make sure there ain't no harsh lines, as always. Now I'm going to be taking this little crease brush by e.l.f. Now I'm going to go with this orange color, and I'm going to set that also in the crease. Kind of like almost brown shade. I forget what name color it is. Once I figure out the name, I'll put it in the description box below. And I'm going to be taking this crease brush again, and I'm going to put that also in my crease. Now I'm going to be taking this, going back to that wet wall brush, just to blend. Sorry, no harsh lines. Y'all know the drill. Come on. Okay, now I'm going to take Pukey, which I think is the color that applied in my crease. I'm going to apply it also onto the eyelid. First I'm going to do it in the center, then I'm going to go outwards. Because usually when I go inwards, and if I'm having like eye allergies or something, it always gets wet, so I'm doing from outer to inner, you know, or I do the opposite. Ooh, I got something in my eye. I just hate when that shit happens. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this NYX Retractable eyeliner in black. And usually I always have to be like really up close to a mirror. So I'm going to try to do it on my top waterline. Now I'm not going to go in all the way to the inner corner. I just do it like maybe third way, I guess you want to call it. So yeah. Okay, now I'm going to be taking my NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner in black. I'm going to just try to keep it close to my line. I'm not going to make no wing today, because it's going to look kind of like natural. Okay, next I'm going to be adding is, of course, mascara, my Voluminous Black Carbon Mascara. And I'm just going to apply it to my eyelashes before I put on falsies. Okay, now I'm going to put on these wispies. We have the twin pack. I'm going to probably use the bottom one today. I'm going to be applying it with Duo, like an adhesive brush I always use for applying my eyelashes on. I usually wait until like I start seeing it changing from like a light blue to a dark blue, and that way I can actually go ahead and apply them on. You see me give me that look? It's like, come on, eyelash, try. Okay, now I'm going to be applying this Poreless primer on my face. And I'm going to take this little bit right here. And usually I put like a lot more on my forehead, because that's normally where I normally sweat at. And then just spread it all throughout my face so makeup don't budge. Because we don't want that shit, now do we? No. That shit ain't happening. Okay, now I'm going to be applying my two favorite L'Oreal Pro Glow. One's in 203, the other one's in 205. This is 205. Usually I use this, you know, if I'm a little bit, you know, tanned on the face. Since I'm not actually, you know, I don't do self-tanning, I just get a natural tan, because I ain't got time to do self-tanning. And this is 203 when I'm like a little bit lighter, like in the winter time. Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in Fair, which I need to get, still need to get a lighter shade, but I don't know if they're actually all out of these concealers. I mean, they need to have more. I mean, they make the eyes like a little bit hydrating. Let me put on my, oops. Like something got in my eye, it seemed like, I don't know. I'm like, okay. Try again. Other side. Okay, so after I apply this, and I want to go like a little bit lighter, a little bit natural, and not something that's going to look, you know, we're not going for a glamour look today. We're just going to go for a natural look. So I'm going to use this H Rewind by Maybelline, and I can't remember what shade this is in. I think it's in, once I find out the shade, I'll put in the description box below. Now it's time to bake my eyes. So I'm going to take this AirSpun. This is normally what I use when it's really hot out and I want my makeup to not move, to not budge, and to last all day. So I add AirSpun. And this is the extra translucent coverage powder. And I'm also going to be like, you know, kind of like contouring my nose with it too. That's something like I do, like if I don't do like contour with my contour by Wet n Wild, I just do this. And yeah. You see, I put it on my forehead because that's normally where I sweat a lot. I don't sweat like you guys. I sweat from the head because I was born that way. Okay, now it's time to do the brows. I'm going to use this Total Temptation on my eyebrows. Watch me apply this on so quick, y'all. 1, 2, and 3. Voila. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Now I'm going to go with my Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sun Bronze, which I love. And I'm going to be applying this using my Wet n Wild brush. Cut those cheeks real quick. Bronze up the face. Usually if I want to go for like something natural and not something like too dramatic, I do this look. And look at my cheeks, they're like already been carved. Get it? They've been carved. Like, damn. I'm sure I've been, you know, kissing no fishes yet. Oh yeah, that's right, I do. My babes. No jokes. Okay, now I'm gonna go back with that pukey, I guess it's called, under my eyes. And I'm gonna kind of like attach it to where I applied pukey on my eyelids. Okay, now I am going to be using my Glamorous blush by BhCosmetic. I'm going to go with this kind of like pinky tone, and I'm going to be applying that to my cheeks using my angled blush right here. Sometimes I use that also like for adding bronzer. And I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. It's so pretty, girl. Look at that. It's like so pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, next I am going to be taking that Stay Matte again, and I'm just going to be applying that all over just to set the rest of my face where I didn't add the AirSpun powder. And I had like a little bit too much blush, as you will see here. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Make sure this makeup ain't going to move. Okay, so I'm going to use that orange color that I used on the top of my eyelids, and I'm placing it underneath the pukey. Okay, Okay, now I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Primer Mist Setting Spray. I'm going to spray it all over my face. Oh, it's so refreshing. Oh my goodness. Ooh, gotta fan that away. It feels so good, girl. This makeup's gonna be lasting all day. Oh, look at that. It's like glow from within. Oh yeah. And now I'm gonna be taking my Wet n Wild and Precious Petals. And I'm gonna be applying that to highlight my face to the stars. Now it's time for some lips. This is the Stay Matte Liquid in Poet, which is like my favorite nude color. And this takes a while for it to dry as you apply it, but I just love this color. Okay, now as another lip gloss, I'm going to be putting this NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. I'm going to be applying that in the center of my lips and on the bottom of my lips. Next thing I'm going to be adding is this Mega Link by Wet n Wild for my bottom eyelashes. Alright, next thing I'm going to be applying is that highlight from, God, I think I forgot what highlight I was using. I think it was the from Precious Petals. It wasn't really like showing up, so I went ahead and started using okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this white from this Rimmel eyeshadow palette as a highlight in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Now, so I applied it on my nose for just a little bit of highlight and on my cupid's bow, even though I don't have a cupid's bow because my lips so small. Okay, so this is the completed look. I hope y'all like it. And if you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my beauty channel. This was like something I normally do when it's hot out and I want to look good, but I don't want to look too sweaty. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.